Hey Reefers, imagine having the perfect budget-friendly LED light for your Pico Reef right at your fingertips. Could this be the solution your corals and your wallet have been waiting for? Curious about what makes the ReefBreeders Pico LED essential for your Pico Reef? Let's explore its impressive features, but first, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, is it pronounced Pico or Pico? I've always said Pico. First, this LED includes a dimmable controller with an option for an 8, 10, or 12-hour timer, creating a beautiful sunrise and sunset effect. You can adjust the brightness in 10% increments and easily toggle moonlight on or off. I'll show you how to activate moonlight mode later on in this video. Power has increased by 23% from 7 watts to 9 watts. Your corals will be thankful. It features an onboard heatsink that keeps everything cool, ensuring your LED operates efficiently without overheating. The integrated light shade directs all that bright light into your tank, preventing any unwanted spill into your living space. The stylish matte black hardware isn't just for looks, it's also corrosion resistant, so it will maintain its appearance in your salty environment. And here's a fantastic bonus, it comes with a 24-month warranty in the United States. 2 years of reassurance because ReefBreeders stands by their product. Let's jump into the trio of lighting options for the ReefBreeders Pico LED. Option number 1 is called the Saltwater Reef. This setup uses a combination of cool white, royal blue, violet, and cool blue LEDs. It's tailored for optimal coral growth, offering SPS corals up to 10 inch by 10 inch, LPS corals up to 14 inch by 14 inch, and soft corals up to 16 inch by 16 inch. The emphasis on blue wavelengths enhances photosynthesis for coral health and vibrant colors. Option number 2 is called the Refugium, composed of royal blue and deep red LEDs. This spectrum is designed for algae growth. The red light encourages robust growth of macroalgae, providing a natural way to reduce nitrates and phosphates in tanks. It covers up to an 18 inch by 18 inch refugium area. Lastly, option number 3 is called the Freshwater / Display Refugium. This setup uses cool white, warm white, and royal blue LEDs. It's suitable for freshwater tanks and mixed refugium setups where both visual appeal, plant, or macroalgae growth are priorities. It provides balanced lighting for tanks up to 18 inch by 18 inch, making it ideal for planted aquariums. Each spectrum is designed to enhance the growth and health of different tank setups, from coral-dominant reefs to algae refugiums or planted freshwater tanks. Alright Reefers, so here's our Pico tank. I'm going to show you how to mount the light, but I need to clean this up first and get it video footage ready. Knock that over while cleaning. Clownfish, this is what they host, so they're probably like, what the heck? Boom. Alright Reefers, let's take a look at what's inside the box, but before we jump into it, ReefBreeders is proud to announce that this packaging is 100% recyclable and uses 0 microplastics. Okay, so when you first open up the box, you're going to see your Pico LED pre-mounted to your gooseneck flex arm and mounting hardware. Pull out the packaging and pop out the power supply. On the inside of the box, you're going to find your dimmable controller, your power supply, and the instruction manual on how to set up your light properly. In order to mount this light, you're going to set the mounting bracket on top of the fish tank. Make sure it's sitting flush to the top of the glass, and then you're going to finger tighten the mounting screw. The mounting screw goes on the inside of your aquarium. Make sure not to over tighten the mounting screw so you don't risk cracking your tank. Now that we have this mounted, let's get some power to the light. The first step is to plug in the dimmable controller into your light. Make sure the arrow is facing up. The next step is to plug the other end of the dimmable controller into your power supply. Just like that. And the last step is to plug in your light. Now your light will power on by itself. Make sure to follow these steps in order to avoid damaging your light. So this light has 10 settings, 10% being the lowest brightness, which is what you're seeing now. And then we're gonna ramp this up to 100% and I'm gonna leave it there because that's what I want the light to run at. So to get it to 100%, we're just going to click the up arrow on the dimmable controller. And as you can see, it's climbing in 10% increments. And boom, that's 100% right there. The next step is going to be to program your daylight and moonlight mode. In order to activate moonlight modes, press the power button to turn the light on. Then press again. The 10-hour LED icon will come on. Press the up and down arrow keys to set the desired peak power intensity. There are 10 power levels to choose from in increments from 10% up to 100%. Press the clock icon on the controller to select 8, 10, or 12 hours of total runtime. The chosen time will flash to confirm settings were entered correctly. Example, if the light is set to 8 hours at 9 a.m., it will run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. From 5 p.m. to 9 a.m., the light will enter moonlight mode and operate at 5%. And there you have it. That's how you set up daylight and moonlight mode on your ReefBreeders Pico LED. So there you have it, the ReefBreeders Pico LED packed with features to illuminate your Pico Reef or refugium with efficiency and style, customizable settings, enhanced power, and a sleek design. This LED is everything you need to make your aquatic setup thrive. Whether you're looking for a vibrant reef, a flourishing algae setup, or a stunning freshwater display, there's a Pico LED option for you. Thank you for joining us to explore the ReefBreeders Pico LED. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. We welcome your questions and comments below.